Hey curl friends and happy holidays. It's the Sincerely Asia and I'm back at it again with another video, and this one is going to be a very quick and very easy hair tutorial on, of course, the latest and greatest headband wigs. Celie Hair actually sent me this unit a while ago and I'm just now getting my hands on it, and so I figured this would be a great little Vlogmas video to do. It was very quick and easy, and it might just be my new quick holiday look. This is a very old braid install under here. I try to keep my braids in now for like at least 3 weeks to a month. So I figured I'd let this install get old where the braids kind of like, y'all know, they start to push back a little bit, and I would give this unit a try, and I must say that I love it. The curls are great. I brushed them out. This is not how I came. They were of course a little bit more uniform, so I brushed out the curls and then I just fluffed it out a little bit. I got very minimum shedding. The hair is so soft. As usual, I actually just can't wait to really wash this unit and manipulate it to see what exactly it can do. I actually want to straighten it to get what look that might give me. But until then, please enjoy this very quick and easy video, and thank y'all for rocking with me for Vlogmas. Bye.
Back like you owe your tax. Owe me 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 back like you owe your tax.
So the first thing I wanted to do was grab some edge control and start to swoop my edges. I just grabbed the nearest edge control that I had, which was the Cream of Nature edge control. As you can see, like, it was a freshly opened edge control. It was just the one in the front, so I was like, sure, let's try it, and it actually gave my hair the perfect amount of shine. I also tried to swoop my edges into like a direction that was cohesive with the way that my braids were going back, so you couldn't tell even more that I had braids going on. And I think that that helps to give it a more natural look.
Like you owe your tax. Owe me back 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 like you owe your tax.
So this unit had 2 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back, along with the adjustable band that acts as like a black headband part of the wig, that elastic part that you see in the front. And I didn't even use the combs and it still felt very secure. I did feel around just to see where they were if I ever did want to use them, but I just found that it felt fine without them, so I left it alone. I really liked how easy this was to look realistic once I put it on, especially once I put the headband on top. It was just seamless.
owe your tax. Owe me back like you 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 owe your tax. 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 Back like you owe your tax.
So let's talk specs real quick. This is the 150% density headband wig, loose deep wave, human hair. And I got it in, I believe, 22 inches or 20 inches. I think it's 22 inches if I'm not mistaken. It retails at $148.50, but they always have a deal going that gets you like usually $10 or $20 off of your purchase. And the hair, as I showed you earlier, doesn't really shed. It's very soft. This is the same hair that you guys saw my short hair that I cut, the bob. This is the same company. And I really enjoy working with them because their hair is quality.
Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 What up? Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 Owe me back like you owe your tax.
Well, this style pretty much goes without explanation. I really love it. I cannot wait to style my hair, this unit, and other ways to straighten it and give you guys an update on how it works. Maybe I'll even dye it. And I'm pretty sure that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.